Dear student, today we are going to discuss about soluble and insoluble salts for NEET and JEE. Which salts, which compounds are soluble and which are insoluble. So some trick I am giving you. The little trick આપું છું. So trick number 1. Ions of the group number 1: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, NH4 plus, and negative ions like chlorate, perchlorate, nitrate, and acetate. Sometimes C2H3O2 minus are having this ion: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, ammonium, and chlorate, perchlorate, nitrate, acetate, having ions compound are soluble. हमारा कोई पण एक one of the positive or one of the negative, otherwise both, comes in our compound, so it should be always soluble. Always soluble, remember. Now example for it: lithium chloride. Here lithium comes, so soluble. Sodium hydroxide, sodium comes, soluble. Rubidium comes, soluble. Ammonium nitrate, which is soluble. Ka to positive ion, otherwise negative ion, comes in our compound, otherwise both, so it should be always soluble. Ammonium hydroxide, so soluble salt gives ion into the water, NH4 plus and OH minus. So here we are taking aqueous. Once again, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, ammonium, chlorate, perchlorate, acetate, having ions, compounds always soluble. Store in your mind. Suppose sodium acetate, CH3COONA, soluble. Silver acetate, soluble. Why? Acetate comes in our compound. આમાંનો કોઈ પણ positive કે negative ion when comes in the compound, it should be always soluble into water. Trick number 1. There is no any exception. Now trick number 2: chloride, bromide, iodide, and sulfate. Chloride, bromide, iodide, and sulfate ions having compound are soluble. Having ions, sulfate આમાંને કોઈ પણ એક ions having compound or salts are soluble, but exceptionally these 4: chloride, bromide, iodide, or sulfate combines with silver, Ag+, then Hg2+2, mercurous, lead. He2 plus 2 means mercurous. Why? There are two mercury combines with each other. Both possesses plus 1. So combinedly mercurous, lead, then calcium, strontium and barium. Calcium, strontium and barium. If these four ions negative when combines with these six, so that salt is insoluble. It is insoluble. Compound or salt are soluble ion having chloride, bromide, iodide and sulfate. And exceptionally, when all these four combines with silver, mercurous, lead, calcium, strontium and barium, so it should be insoluble. So I am giving you example for that. So which are soluble? So soluble sodium chloride, potassium bromide, sodium iodide, sodium sulfate are soluble. But whenever our chloride is combining with silver, AgCl, AgBr, here into bracket we are taking as a solid, not aqua. Why? Which is not insoluble in water. AgBr, AgI, then Ag2SO4. Why 2 times? Yes, -1 plus 1. Sulfate having -2 charge, silver having +1. For balancing charge, we are taking in the formula silver 2 times. Silver sulfate. All are insoluble. Like this, mercurous chloride, mercurous bromide, mercurous iodide, mercurous sulfate are insoluble. Then lead, lead chloride, PbCl2, PbBr2, PbI2 and PbSO4 are insoluble. Like this, calcium, calcium chloride, then calcium bromide, calcium iodide, calcium sulfate are insoluble. Now there should be strontium. So strontium chloride, strontium bromide, strontium iodide or strontium sulfate also insoluble. If there is barium, so barium chloride, barium bromide, barium iodide or barium sulfate are insoluble. Now trick number 2 over. Now come to the trick number 3. Most of the OH minus ion having compound are insoluble. Most of the OH minus ion having most of the OH minus ion having compounds are insoluble. એટલે વોટરમાં dissolve ના થાય. Most of the OH minus ion having compound are insoluble. But exceptionally it combines with radical like alkali metal. Alkali metal means lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, ammonium. Alkaline earth metal, only three: calcium, strontium and barium. So it is soluble. It is a soluble. એટલે dissolve થશે. OH minus having compounds, most of the OH minus having compounds are insoluble, but exceptionally it combines with lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, ammonium, calcium, strontium, barium. It is a soluble. I am giving you example. Suppose OH minus is combining with zinc. So zinc hydroxide insoluble. Zinc is not coming in our exception. Otherwise it should be soluble. Here are insoluble. Copper with OH, cupric hydroxide insoluble. Aluminium hydroxide, which is insoluble. Ferric hydroxide, which is insoluble. All these are not lies in our exception. So it is insoluble. Where lithium hydroxide, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, barium hydroxide are soluble into water. Understood? Trick number 3 means most of the OH minus ion having compounds are insoluble in the water, but exceptionally it combines with OH minus when combines with lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, ammonium, calcium, strontium or barium. So it should be soluble. So these are representing as a in superscript small s. Here as a aqua, all are aqueous, which dissolves easily into water. Now in the trick number 4. We are in trick number 4. So what is the trick number 4? Listen. And trick number 4 about ion of carbonate, phosphate, chromate and sulfide. Trick is about carbonate, sulfide, CrO4 minus 2 means chromate and phosphate. Ions having compounds are insoluble in water. Insoluble means water માં dissolve नहीं થાય, which are not dissolved into water, but exceptionally when it combines with alkali metal like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium or ammonium, it is soluble. So water માં dissolve થાય છે. Carbonate, sulfide, chromate sometimes, but in our book 2 minus, both are same. 2 minus and phosphate 3 minus. Ions having compound are insoluble in water, but exceptionally when these 4 ions combines with lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, so it is soluble. So I am giving you example for that ZnS ZnCO3, ZnS insoluble, ZnCrO4, Zn3PO4 twice, zinc phosphate are insoluble. But when it combines with these ions, these are insoluble. Now I am giving you examples of soluble. So one by one, lithium carbonate, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, Na2CO3, K2CO3, potassium, Rb2CO3, rubidium carbonate, NH4 twice CO3, ammonium carbonate, also soluble. Then phosphate, sodium phosphate, potassium phosphate, ammonium phosphate, NH4 thrice PO4 are soluble. Then chromate, Na2CrO4, sodium chromate, K2CrO4, potassium chromate, NH4 twice CrO4, ammonium chromate are soluble. Sodium, potassium and ammonium chromate are soluble. Then after sulfide, which sulfide? Sodium sulfide, Na2S, K2S, ammonium sulfide are soluble. You know why this happens? Sulfur possesses -2, ammonium +1. So for balancing charge we are taking 2 times. Here also sodium sulfide, potassium sulfide, ammonium sulfide, all are soluble. So we will be present as a aqua. Now with help of all the 4 tricks, one by one we will solve. I am giving you some example and you have to think about it. First one, aluminium hydroxide. Tell me, soluble or not? No, it is insoluble. Why? OH minus containing all the compounds mostly insoluble. Only OH combines with element of group number 1 or 2, so it should be soluble. Here aluminium is not a group number lying in group number 1 and 2. It is not a S block element, so it is insoluble, solid. KOH. Here OH is combining with potassium, so soluble. AgCl, first insoluble. Exception, all the chlorides are soluble, but exceptionally 6 are insoluble. Silver, lead, mercurous, calcium, strontium के बेरियम साथ हो, so insoluble. Then NaCl, yes, chlorine with the chloride, chlorine with the sodium, soluble NaCl. This one soluble. Then barium sulfate, BaSO4. Sulfate generally soluble, but it combines with barium, so it is insoluble. Lithium carbonate, I told you, carbonate combines with alkali metal, so it should be soluble. PbI2, yes, iodine combines with lead, which is insoluble. Mgi2, iodine with alkaline earth metal, soluble. Barium hydroxide, which is also OH group combines with barium, alkaline earth metal, so soluble aluminium phosphate Al plus 3 and phosphate minus 3. Phosphate of aluminium is insoluble. MgSO4 soluble. Sulfate with magnesium. Calcium phosphate Ca3PO4 twice, which is insoluble. Lithium hydroxide soluble. Then K2S, potassium sulfide, yes, which is soluble. Now another example. Na3PO4. What about sodium phosphate? Soluble or not soluble? Phosphate is with alkali metal, so soluble. Chloride with mercurous, solid, insoluble. OH with ammonium hydroxide, soluble. Calcium sulfide with calcium, insoluble. Barium nitrate, rule number 1. All the nitrates are soluble. There is no any exception. All the nitrate compounds are soluble. Carbonate with ammonium, which is soluble. Now, barium carbonate. Yes, barium carbonate with barium, which is insoluble. Then, all the perchlorate are soluble. Rule number 1. So, aluminium perchlorate, AlClO4 thrice. Aluminium perchlorate, soluble. Then, silver acetate. All the acetates are soluble. Whatever. Positive ion. Sodium acetate, silver acetate, otherwise calcium acetate. And plus 2 change, so acetate should be twice. Plus 1 acetate should be 1 time. All are soluble. No. Acetate. All are acetates are soluble. Now, importance of this trick. What is the importance of this trick? In the chemical reaction, it is very important, beneficial to get our product liquid, solid, aqueous. So, when we take barium hydroxide with sulfuric acid, so it gives barium sulfate and water. Understood? Here barium possesses plus 2, OH minus 1. In sulfuric acid, 2H plus SO4 minus 2. So barium combines hydroxide of alkaline earth metal are soluble. So here comes aqua. This is the application, use of our trick. H2SO4 soluble, aqua, but barium sulfate insoluble, so solid. So it gives precipitate of barium sulfate. Here water is liquid, not aqua. So what happens actually? 2H plus ion combining with 2 OH minus ion and gives 2 mole of water. Here barium plus 2 ion is aqueous. Sulfate is aqueous. but both combines in the solution and white precipitate occurs in the solution. This is the main thing. Now, you got it? Understood? Now, second example, barium nitrate plus KCl. Barium nitrate plus KCl, so gives BaCl2 and potassium nitrate. Here what happens actually, tell me. Barium nitrate is dissolved into chloride. So here barium nitrate, all the nitrate water soluble, chloride with alkali metal water soluble, chloride with alkaline earth metal are soluble, potassium nitrate, all the nitrate are water soluble. So barium with chloride gives barium chloride, and potassium with nitrate gives potassium nitrate. Now, suppose lead nitrate is given in our lab. Lead nitrate. All the nitrates are water soluble. We are adding into potassium chloride, which is water soluble. So here Pb plus 2 and NO3 minus ion occurs. Here 2K plus and 2Cl minus ion. So lead with chloride PbCl2, which is insoluble. Yes, sir. Chloride is not with alkali or alkaline earth metal, which is insoluble. So it gives precipitate white. Now 2 potassium, 2 nitrate. So 2KNO3. Nitrate, water soluble. So what happens actually? PbCl2 ionization not high. Here 2K plus 2NO3 minus. So 2 nitrate, 2 nitrate. 2 potassium, 2 potassium. Cancel. So actual reaction Pb plus 2 plus 2Cl minus gives PbCl2 solid. Got it? This is use of our trick. Now, acid-base reaction, last example of the day. We are adding sodium hydroxide into sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is water soluble. Sodium hydroxide also water soluble. It gives the sulfate, sodium sulfate, which is soluble in 2 mole of water. Here 2H plus ion and 1 SO4 minus 2. 2 Na plus ion and 2 OH minus ion. Here 2 Na plus. Why? Soluble set ionization level. We are taking ionization which is aqua. Here this one is not aqua, water is liquid. So sulfate, sulfate, sodium, sodium. So actual reaction between 2H plus 2OH minus is converting into 2 mole. So this one is called aqua cuts. Solid aqua never cuts opposite. So this is titration reaction. I think you enjoyed your lecture. Bye. We will meet in next lecture with more tricks. So you will get more marks in your NEET and JEE exam. Bye.